Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to play another super fun test game to check how well you remember letters. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with letter U. What do we use when it's raining? Yes, U for umbrella. What do we wear under our clothes? Correct, U for underwear. What do kids wear when they go to school? Good job, U for uniform. A small horse is called. Yes, U for unicorn. Great job on letter U. Letter V. Now it's time for letter V. What do we use to travel? Yes, V for van. What fruit is purple and used for juice? Correct, V for vine. What shape looks like a tick mark? Yes, V for V shape. What insect makes a buzzing sound and drinks nectar? Good job, V for violet butterfly. Well done on letter V. Let's move to letter W. What do we drink? Yes, W for water. What animal says woof woof? Correct, W for wolf. What do we wear on cold days? Yes, W for warm coat. What flies in the sky on a windy day? Good job, W for windy kite. Amazing job on letter W. Now comes the tricky letter X. What musical instrument makes xylophone sounds? Yes, X for xylophone. What do doctors take to see your bones? Yes, X for X-ray. What mark do we make for wrong answer? Good job, X for X mark. You did great with the letter X. Now it's time for letter Y. What do we call little kids? Yes, Y for young. What food is thick and creamy? Good job, Y for yogurt. And finally letter Z. What black and white animal has stripes? Yes, Z for zebra. What toy goes fast on tracks? Good job, Z for zip train. What fruit is long, green, and crunchy? Yes, Z for zucchini. Wow, you did amazing with Z. You completed the U to Z test. Clap for yourselves. See you soon with the next fun game.